These two, baby, Jackie. Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, how are you? My name is Kearia. If you are a current subscriber, hey you guys, what have you been up to? Please let me know in the comments below. So as you can see in the title of this video, I finally received my candles from the Jackie Aina's Forvr Mood Sin Moods collection. So I am so freaking excited. Like, you guys, I've ordered these candles October 30th to be exact, and they came today, which is December 2nd. So I finally got these candles. I'm so excited. It was like a long shipping processing time because I know like she was like switching warehouses, and then like with COVID and like she received like so many orders, so it was just crazy. I really wasn't tripping over it because like the entire process, like she would send like updates, just, you know, just like, oh, we're still working on your package, oh, we're moving a warehouse, things like that. So it was always a communication. So I literally just bought it and then I just forgot about it. Like, I didn't stress, didn't worry about it. I'm like, it's coming, I'm good. And then it actually came today, and I'm so excited. So I will be reviewing the Forvr Moods Sin Moods collection. So first things first, let's just talk about this packaging. Like, I love like this tan nude ombre effect. I love this, and it's like so sleek, it's so soft, it's like a soft matte type finish. I don't know, it's like not like a hard dry, it's like a soft finish. And I love the gold font, like this foil font print, love that. Then it says Sin Moods collection right here, just perfect. I love the packaging. Like, the packaging is A1. And then to open it, you open it where the flap says open to get lit. So we're just gonna flap that open, and then you see the 4 candles, and then there is a quote from Jackie. I do want to say you can smell the candles through the box. Like, you can smell like hints of spices. Like, I smell like a nutty roasty type flavor, or like a roast scent, and then I smell like some cinnamon a little bit, just off the back from through the box. That's what I smell. So anyway, she has like a little quote right here, so I'll just read it. And it says, in your kitchen, in your bedroom, in your bathroom, you decide, XOXO Jackie Aina. So that's what it says right here. Like, the packaging is just freaking amazing. Like, I'm loving this packaging. Like, this, wait a minute, this box matched my shirt. This was not planned, but the box matched my shirt. Let's take a moment for the matching of the box and the shirt. Okay, so now we're done with that. Let's just jump into the candles, like what we've been waiting for, right? Okay, so she has 4 candles. It says We Not Lincoln, Grown Folks Business, Hey Big Head, and Skinny Dipped. So I'm gonna put them right here. Wait, yeah, let's put them right here, and then we're just gonna go through all of them. I'm looking down so I can find out like the notes of everything, so we can go through them. So the first one we're gonna go through is We Not Lincoln. So these are all 2.5 ounces, and the burn time is 10 hours. So that's pretty amazing to have a 10-hour burn time in these mini candles. This set retails for $48. You can get it right on the website. Now let's see, We Not Lincoln. No, I cracked. Ooh, that smells good. Got my nail in there. Hold on. Ooh, that smells good. Ooh. So first things first. This is a true fall candle. This is a true fall candle. So first thing first, I smell cinnamon. It's like a cinnamon and like a nutty type smell. Like, this smells really, really good. And actually, I really don't like cinnamon fall nutty type candles. Like, for me overall, from like my candles, I like a fresh, like floral, sometimes fruity scent. Like, that's what I like for my candles, like a very clean, fresh scent. This smells really good though. Okay, so We Not Lincoln, what's in it? So the first thing is the top thing is pumpkin. 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 I don't know what pumpkin smell like. Okay, I don't know what pumpkin smell like. I smell the cinnamon. So what else? The top is pumpkin. The heart is cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg. Okay, so I definitely smelled the cinnamon. I did say that I smelled like some little nutty type undertones as well. So I got that. And then the base is whipped cream and tonka. I don't know what tonka is, but I guess tonka smells good. But this smells really, really good. If you like fall scents and you like nutmeg and you like cinnamon, I strongly recommend. If you like pumpkin, I don't know what pumpkin smells like. I don't smell the pumpkin, but this does smell really, really, really good. Hold on, wait. I don't know what tonka is, but I do smell the cinnamon and the nutmeg, and I smell something else. Maybe I'm smelling tonka because I don't know what tonka is. What's tonka? I'm gonna Google tonka. Okay, so tonka has a sweet, spicy fragrance that has like, is reminiscent of vanilla and almond. Let's see if I smell those. I don't know. You know what? We're just gonna move on from the tonka. I don't know what a tonka is, but I can say that this candle smells really good. I cannot wait to burn this. We Not Lincoln. I like this. Next is Grown Folks Business. I like the name of this. Let's see. I like it. It says, this ain't the kids' child. Wait, hold on. This ain't the kids' table, child. If you have to ask what's grown folks' business, then it's probably not for you. I can dig it. Okay. All right. Grown folks' business. Let's see. Let me clear out my nose. Let me clear it out. Right, let's do it. What is grown folks' business? I'm nervous. Okay. Oh yeah, this is grown. She was right when she named. Yeah, this is grown. This is real grown. This is grown. This is, I done paid the bills, I done went shopping, now I'm about to have me a glass of wine and relax on the couch. Now that's grown. This is grown. Ooh, this is grown. I really like this. Okay, I don't know what's in here. I really can't, hold on. Let me try to make out some type of sense before I go to the description, but it's like kind of earthy. And remember earlier I just stated that I like fresh, natural, floral type scents. Like I like that type of stuff. So this smells kind of earthy. It's not spicy like We Not Lincoln. It's not spicy like this, but it's really, really earthy. And I like that. It's not like, ooh, dirt and grass. It's like clean, fresh, adult earth. Mature earth. I like that. Jackie, I need this in a big one. I'm gonna have to get this one because okay, I don't know. I really can't. It smells like just grown. Like it smells. Let me read the description. Let's read the notes and let's see what's in here, and then maybe I can describe it better because I really cannot describe this. This smells so freaking good. Like I'm probably gonna like this tonight. Like for real. The top, it says herbal moss, white clove, and cool mint. The heart is gray cedar, vetiver, I don't know, vetiver, patchouli, and lang lang. Oh, see, I like that. Okay. And then the base is amber, rosewood, and vanilla. All of that. This smells good. Do I smell? I think I smell the clove, and I do think I smell the patchouli a little bit. I think I might smell a little bit of mint. Like I'm there, like I'm here, I'm chilling. Like, and I'm like, oh, I'm here. No, if you want some, this is real chill. This is real smooth. I like this. Yeah, I'm gonna get this in the big one. The next one is Hey Big Head. I'm just getting my notes together. Hold on. Okay, so as soon as you get that Hey Big Head text, you already know what's up. Basically, that's what it says, point blank period. All right, so Hey Big Head, let's see. This one smells like nutty and like coffee. This one, it smells good, but I don't really gravitate towards scents like this. So this is not bad. It's like if you like the nutty coffee scent, like if you walk in like in a grocery store and you go in a coffee aisle, it's like almost like that. Like you like a hazelnut coffee. And I like hazelnut coffee. Don't know if I want it for a candle though, but it smells like hazelnut. Let's read the notes. I'm curious to see if hazelnut is in here. Okay, so the top, I got this one right, y'all. So the top, it says roasted coffee. The heart is sweet toffee and hazelnut, like I said. And then the base is vanilla. Yeah, it's sweet. It's not like a strong coffee. Like, oh, it smells like Starbucks. You walking into Starbucks and you just smell everything going around. And then maybe they have like some vanilla, maybe some vanilla cookies or something. Like it's just coffee and then it's a little sweet, so it's not bad. This actually smells really good. I think I need like a little snack or something, but yeah, this smells I need a little dessert. This smells really good. I like this one. I'll probably like this when I bake some cookies or something. I like this. Okay, Jack, I like it. You're making me a believer for sweet candles because I really don't go for them, but I like this. Okay. Last but not least, we have Skinny Dipped. Well, let's just jump right in. We're gonna do the same thing we did before, and then I'll describe what it smells like. Okay. Clean my nose. The night is cool, but the temperature between you two is hot. Get into it. Skinny Dip. I like that. Okay, all right. I like it. I like this. I feel like I smell like cherries or some type of fruit in here. Hold on. Vanilla, a clove or a spice. I don't know. But I smell like fruit. It better be some fruit in here because I really feel like I smell some type of, I smell cherry. Like cherry, raspberry. No, I'm gonna stick to cherry. Like a red juicy cherry and some wood, some earthy. Let's just read the notes. Oh, the top is pistachio. Oh, I can see that. Pistachio, almond cream, and apple. Okay, so that's the fruit that I smell. Because I'm like, I smell cherry, I smell fruit, but it's the apple. Okay. The heart is nutmeg, clove, and coconut. Okay, so that's like the woody, because I'm like, I smell like cherries and like a woody scent, so that would be the nutmeg. And then the base is vanilla and tonka. Jackie, I don't know what tonka is, but I guess I like tonka because I like tonka. It really smells like cherries and wood, but in the most beautiful, luxurious way ever. It smells so clean, so subtle. Like I could really just clean up the house and burn this candle and it just smells like a clean, cozy, luxurious house, luxurious apartment. That's that. Out of the four, which ones are my favorite? Let's see. One more, hold on. This is definitely me though. Okay. So I love them all. They all smell good, but I would have to say my two favorite out of this collection, like the two that I'll probably get in the bigger size, Grown Folks Business because I'm grown, and Skinny Dip because I skinny dip. I don't skinny dip, I don't know how to swim, but it just sounds cute. But these two, baby, Jackie. I'm about to get these two in a large. Baby, like this is grown. It smells like it's like a powdery, like a perfume, but not like the old lady perfume. It's like a real subtle, like soft, warm like, baby, I wish we had smell vision because this one, baby, this, you cannot go wrong with Grown Folks Business. In this one, I just feel like I'm in a cabin. It's clean. It's like Twilight or something. Like I'm just, that's like the vibes I'm getting with this, like Twilight and Grown. So skinny dip, grown folks business. Baby, you can't do, you cannot. I'm a little nervous. I want to mess up these, but these two are my favorite. I would highly recommend trying out the mini collection just to see which ones you like, because they all smell really good. Like, I like them all. I will burn them all, and I'm gonna buy those two in the larger size. So that is actually it for this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video. And just watch some old videos, girl. All right, bye y'all.